Hey friends, this is Heather. We are testing a recipe today from Laura Theodore's new cookbook, Deliciously Vegan. Laura goes by the Jazzy Vegetarian. I've posted a couple of her recipes here before, and you've probably seen her out in the interwebs. She's pretty awesome. And this new book looks fantastic. Good mix of recipes every day, as well as entertaining or holiday type stuff. And I am super excited to try her Banana Pecan Coffee Cake. So that's what we're gonna make today. It has no oil in it and a little bit of maple syrup, which makes my Canadian heart swoon. So let's get started. Easy prep. We're gonna mix the dry ingredients, which include ground flaxseed. Golden is great because it's milder flavor than brown, but you can use either one. She said to use whole wheat pastry flour, which is lighter than regular whole wheat flour. I don't have any, but I've got this einkorn flour, which is a little bit lighter than whole wheat. It says stone ground from wheat grain widely used in prehistory. This flour will give taste and character to your baking. So I'm just gonna use a little bit less than what's there, and I'll add more if I need to. But because it's a little bit heavier, just use a little bit less. Main source of sweetness is going to be some unrefined sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. You can't make coffee cake without cinnamon, and we've got 2 nice big teaspoons full. Rising action we get from baking powder. So stir those dry ingredients together, mix them up. Then we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients, and I am just gonna put all of them into my blender. Starting with 3 ripe bananas. These ones are exactly where I want them. They were either going in the freezer for smoothies or into this cake. This is way more fun. Some non-dairy milk. I just made this one. It's oat and almond. Oh, oven is preheated to 350, so it's ready to go. Oh, that looks so creamy. Here comes my little bit of maple syrup. I got the number 2 amber, so good. And a little splash of vanilla. So that is just gonna get pureed. And then we just pour the banana mixture into the dry mixture. And stir it together. Okay guys, this is supposed to go in a 9x9 brownie dish. I don't have one. And I'm probably breaking every rule of coffee cake. But the only one that has the right size is a round pie dish. Please forgive me. Okay, here we go. Into the blasphemous pie dish for a round coffee cake. I'm scooping it because I'm not entirely sure it's not gonna overflow. I've got muffin cups on standby. No, it might work. I'm not sure how much this is gonna rise, but if it doesn't rise too much, I think we're in good shape. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, last touch. As coffee cake, you need a little sugary sprinkle on top. So I've got some coconut sugar, which doesn't want to move. I think this would also be lovely if you wanted to put a little pinch of cinnamon in there with it. I'm gonna have to fix that. Nothing can't be fixed with more sugar. So this is ready to go in the oven, and that's gonna be 35 to 45 minutes. There it is, cooling, getting ready for me to cut a piece. Let's see if I can do this without making a total mess. This is so good looking. See, if you do a loaf pan, you can put parchment under it and lift it out easy peasy, which is what Laura put in the directions. If you're crazy like me, and you try to do it in a pie dish, you have to loosen the edges. So when I pulled this out of the oven, I realized that I totally forgot to put pecans in. So what I did was just chop them up in the food processor, added a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit more maple syrup, and then I thought I would put it on top. There it is. Oh my god, how good does that look? These maple walnuts on their own, dangerous. Anyway, time for a bite of this coffee cake. So good. I haven't had coffee cake in years. I don't know if I've ever had a coffee cake since I've gone vegan. Really tasty, really tasty. Nicely done, Laura. You guys should give it a try. Get the recipe down below in the video. You can also check out Laura's new book, Deliciously Vegan. I can definitely vouch for this one. One of you can win a copy. You just need to go down to the link below this video to enter. And that's about it. Coffee cake time for me. See you guys later.